morning students. Today we are going to study here new chapter triangles and their properties. Triangles and their properties. In a closed figure made by joining here three non-collinear points by three line segments is called as a triangle. Triangle means, see, it is a closed figure. It is a closed figure by joining these three non-collinear points. This 1 point, 2, 3. By joining these three non-collinear points and to form here line segments. Which line segments? AB, BC and AC, and it is called as a triangle. Right here, a closed figure made by joining three non-collinear points by the line segments is called triangle. Here, it is a closed figure and made by joining these three non-collinear points. Non-collinear points means the points which do not lie in a single straight line. These points in a single straight line? No. Therefore, these points are these non-collinear points. In this figure, triangle ABC has three sides, three vertices and three angles. Triangle ABC has three sides, three angles and three vertices and three angles are called the parts of a triangle. These sides, vertices and angles are called parts of triangles. Then see this in this triangle ABC here has three sides. Which sides here? Side AB, side BC and side AC. Then three vertices. Which vertices? Point A, B, C vertices. And triangle ABC has three angles. Which three angles? Angle A, angle B, angle C. These three angles. Right. Then next one, point types of triangles. Based on sides. Here types of triangles, two types based on sides and based on angles. Then firstly you see here based on sides. Types of triangles. Based on sides. Based on sides, there are three types of triangles. There are how many types of triangles? Three types of triangles. Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. Then see one by one. Firstly, based on sides, three types of triangles here. Equilateral triangle. equilateral triangle. Equilateral. Equal means here, equi means equal types of this sides. Figure draw here. ABC 2.5 centimeter. This also 2.5 centimeter, and AB also 2.5 centimeter. See this. Right here, in triangle ABC, length of AB is equal to 2.5 centimeter, length of BC is equal to 2.5 centimeter, and length of AC is equal to also 2.5 centimeter. Means definition here, a triangle with all three sides equal in length. A triangle with, right definition, a triangle with all three sides equal. All three sides equal is called as an equilateral triangle. Means here triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle because here all three sides are equal. Then second, isosceles triangle. ISOSCELES. Isosceles triangle. See this figure. This PQR here 3.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter, and this 2 centimeter. In triangle PQR, length of this PQ is equal to 3.5 centimeter, length of this QR is equal to 2 centimeter, and length of this PR is equal to 3 centimeter. In isosceles triangle, you see here only these two sides equal. How many sides equal here? 2 sides equal. Right here, a triangle with two equal sides is an isosceles triangle. Means here triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Then third one, scalene triangle. Third one, see. X, Y, Z. This 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Here also 3.5, right? 3 centimeter, and this 4 centimeter. Then see here in triangle XYZ, length of XY is equal to 2 centimeter, length of YZ is equal to 3 centimeter, length of XZ is equal to 4 centimeter. Means all sides here different. Right here, a triangle with all three sides different. All three sides here different. Means triangle XYZ is an scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. triangle. In this scalene triangle, all sides are different. Otherwise, a triangle with no two sides equal. Here two sides equal? No. Then in homework you write this today's class work. Then this based on angles, this tomorrow. Okay.